part of what they wrote, the Associated Press. Quote, the scope of what is disclosed or how it might be used
Giant woodpecker.
is not immediately clear, but it can include
Peck it down, boy.
income, zip code, whether a person's
It's killing me.
is pregnant. So some really personal information is the first time.
Killing me, big head.
There's a big part of your pregnancy. A lot of people don't know you're pregnant. You know, just to know
Knock, knock, knock. Who's knocking on your door?
Third party is baffling. The Obama administration says this is.
It's something I've always said, better information sharing. Utilize the resources that are already here, the information
It's
sharing
fun
analysis.
watching them.
They have to get over this. They think that
Where'd he go?
Alright, sure. We'll see you.
with the government.
Alright then, bye-bye.
So
You
there
see
has
him?
to be a better job of
Yeah.
sharing information back to the corporations.
Ain't he
spread
big?
information, spread
I
prevention.
don't think we've seen him before,
One
have
of the things they could do, they talked about all this money overseas, bringing it back.
That's a big,
They bring it back and implement it.
I can't remember the name of it, woodpecker.
So that we, the
I call them giant.
So Morgan, do we need new laws, new
Giant woodpecker.
to do exactly what you just said?
I'm going live right now.
Yeah, check out that boy.
You drop 40 grand on a
What's
new
it say
set
it's
of
called?
wheels.
He's about to take the tree down.
Man T-bones you.
Rat-a-tat-tat.
Your insurance company will only give you
Yeah,
$57
rat-a-tat-tat.
to replace it.
It
Depreciation.
don't say
Oh,
what
come
it is.
back, man.
How can my car depreciate?
Come back.
First oil
He
change?
gone.
Did he leave?
No, not
Oh, he's
legally.
going around on the other side.
Why do you have that insurance company?